You are a crest on the surface of the ocean of potentiality. It seems that we are proceeding here from one scandalous claim to the another. First, we are being asked to believe that our personal potential is a part of a cosmic potentiality. Then we are asked to believe that the cosmic potentiality is a field of invisible states, like ghosts, but real ghosts to which we owe our existence. And now we are supposed to believe that all the separate things and all people of the world are somehow connected in this invisible field. Ordinary things such as a table I light on the furniture in your home, your grandmother and shepherd in Anatolia. All of us belong to the realm of the one and are interconnected in it. Give me a break. The choice of words here is echoing what Einstein had to say about empty forms and the potentiality wave of quantum theory. Always ready to make fun of them, he called them field of ghost. Fields of ghost. This shows that he took them seriously, or he wouldn't have wasted any time on them. Let's deal first with the possible interconnectedness of the seemingly separate things. You can think about this in the following way. If you have ever flown over an ocean or large body of water, sometimes when the weather is light, you can see some white patches on the water below, tiny white dots that suddenly appear like out of the nothing, moved around, and one this way, one that way, and fade out of the existence again. It is really a beautiful sight and fascinating play of forms. And it is easy and it is easily understood. The white patches are the crest of the waves in the agitated ocean. Now, here is an interesting thing. You can't see these waves because you are too far up. You can see only the crest. Yes, but you have no doubt that the waves are there. You may even say that you know it. And if anybody tried to tell you that the white spots on the water were some sort of the big white fish, you would not believe it. Furthermore, when you see how each of the patches is going its own way and couldn't care less about what the others are doing, you can't be fooled into the thinking that the waves are isolated and independent appearances, because you just know that the wave in the ocean aren't independent but conjoined in one giant movement of the whole. This is a useful experience because now, when you look out into the world and see the things and people around you, you will not be fooled into thinking they are separate and independent appearances, because you know that they are the patches on the surface of the agitated ocean. The ocean of potentiality in this non-material ocean, which seems alive and more mind-like than thing-like. The wave constantly builds up to new empirical possibilities and perhaps even to new forms of the thinking that may find consciousness in the human mind. After each transition from the possible to the factual, as one of the great pioneers of quantum physics, Werner Heisenberg described it, the evolution of the tendencies, the evolution of the tendencies or possibilities for future actual events starts anew, but now from a different starting point than before, so that the universe is evolving. In other words, it increasing the entropy, right? The degree of the chaos, right? Physicist Hans-Peter Dürr, longtime co-worker of the Heisenberg's, has called this learning process. With the experiences that it makes through us, the cosmic potentiality is learning. It constantly manifests and reabsorbs there is a continuous flux from the evolution of the tendencies to their actualization, empirical events, and from the empirical events to new tendencies. Each new state of the potentiality carries in it, like a stigma, the memory of the last state. You are the white crest on the surface of this ocean. Wow, so poetic. But please be careful to get involved in the religious field, because it kills your mind. I mean, it stupidizes you.